Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charger accessibility features for ADA compliance, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA. Determine the specific requirements for charging stations set forth by the ADA. Identify the location where you plan to install the EV charger. Check local building codes and regulations for compliance details. Choose an appropriate EV charger that meets ADA accessibility standards. Ensure the charger is within the required reach range of 15 to 54 inches from the ground. Select a location that allows for appropriate clearances around the charger. Maintain a minimum of 36 inches of clear path on either side of the charger. Provide a clear and accessible route to the charging station from parking areas. Ensure the surface leading to the EV charger is stable and firm. Install signage that designates the space as an accessible charging area. Ensure the charger has accessible controls, including tactile buttons and voice prompts if applicable. Consider adding features like touchscreen displays that are low enough for wheelchair users. Verify that the charging cable is not too heavy or cumbersome for individuals with limited strength. Incorporate features like automatic retractable cords if possible. Test the installation to ensure it meets all ADA requirements. Document the compliance details for future reference. Regularly evaluate and maintain the charging station to ensure continued accessibility. Stay updated on any changes to ADA guidelines regarding EV charging. Engage with the local community to gather feedback on the charger's accessibility. Make necessary adjustments based on user feedback to enhance accessibility features. Ensure all installation staff are educated on ADA compliance practices. Review your installation periodically to maintain high accessibility standards. Keep a record of maintenance and compliance checks for your documentation. Promote the availability of the charger to the community, emphasizing its accessibility. Continuously seek new technologies that can further enhance accessibility features. Train users on how to operate the charger if needed, focusing on those with disabilities. Promote awareness about the importance of ADA compliance in EV charging stations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.